Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to show you all how my citrus tree is doing. If many of you are experiencing blossom and fruit drop like this, not to fear. I just want to let you know that that is par for the course when it comes with when you're dealing with citrus trees. And so when they look like that, you shouldn't have to worry about it because with citrus trees, they will only hold on to the fruit that it can bear to hold on to. I'm going to get a little closer so that you can see how many blossoms I have on this tree, and it is loaded. It is loaded. Excuse me, I am outside and my neighbors are getting their lawns cut. But if you can see how many blossoms I have, and the whole tree is just completely loaded. It's just loaded with like fruit. And I am so proud of it. The 2 lemons that you see are lemons actually that are left over from the growing season of during the winter of 24. With citrus, you can just pull when you're ready to use them. You don't have to pull everything off your trees and think that you need to let them ripen up on the tree. They can stay on the tree for as long as you need them. And these still look good. And as a matter of fact, I found that when I let them stay on a little bit longer, the fruit actually gets sweeter. So I have pruned everything. Let's see, I still have some blossoms, but pretty much this was loaded with blossoms about, let's say about 3 weeks ago. And pretty much all of my blossoms have set fruit. So you look here, I'm gonna open this. Just gonna clip it so that we can see what it looks like. And it's a beautiful piece of fruit. And so easy to peel. But I just wanted to show you, and this is the improved Myer Lemon. She's been in the pot this is my 4th growing season. And she is absolutely gorgeous. She has been hardened off. She has survived the harshest winters. We actually got down to the single digits in zone 8A. And here we go. And this has been on here. Look how beautiful this is. This is a gorgeous piece of fruit. As a matter of fact, I'm going to just try a piece because it actually gets sweet. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And remember, a Myer Lemon is actually a cross between an orange and a traditional lemon. So this is delicious. So I hope this helps you all. In my next video, I'm going to talk about my favorite fertilizers that I use on my trees. I just gave her a good feed on, let's see, on Sunday with one of my favorite fertilizers to green her up a little bit. We've been receiving a lot of rain here in Georgia, and I started noticing some of the leaves on here turning a little yellow at the tips, and that was because it wasn't being underfed. It was because all of the nutrients in here were being washed away because of the heavy rainfall that we've been receiving. And so these leaves are starting to look so much better. I cannot tell you, I probably have about a little over 100 fruit. And this year I'm really determined to make sure that I have a huge crop of fruit. So now I'm down to 1 fruit, this one right here. I'm down to 1 fruit, and now that I've taken this away, the tree can exert more energy and put it into the newly set fruit so that they can start getting bigger. But again, when your tree has fruit, it can, and you start seeing it on the ground, do not fear. The tree will only hold on to the fruit that it can handle. As long as you've got fruit, I don't care if it's 3 or 4 fruit. That's your tree telling you, hey, I can only handle 3 to 4 fruit. So with this tree and with the number of years that I've had it in this pot, it's able to handle dozens upon dozens of fruit at one time in a growing season. And so I'm really grateful for that. But for right now, everything looks good. So stay tuned to my next video. I'm going to share with you my favorite citrus fertilizers, and I'm going to give you a tour of the rest of my citrus trees on my property. Okay, thanks so much, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.